The Vače Situla is an ornamented early Iron Age ritual bronze vessel found in the second half of the 19th century at the Hallstatt Archaeological Site in Vače in central Slovenia. It counts among the highest quality such vessels in general and among the most precious archaeological artifacts of the country, dating from the 5th century BC. It is considered to be one of the oldest sitular objects of the northern Illyrians found in the Eastern Hallstatt zone. The vessel has 3 rows of relief that show the ordinary life of the ruling class and also reflect the religious understanding of the world in the time. It is on display in the National Museum of Slovenia. Discovery. It was discovered by the farmer Janez Grilk in the beginning of 1882. The situla lay at a depth of 1.5 meters. In the same year, after the director of the Provincial Museum of Carniola, Karol Desman, was informed about the find, it was purchased by a museum agent for 18 guldens and 20 kurza. Later, the museum estimated its value at about 6,000 guldens. Artifact. The situla is 23.8 centimeters high and is made of 3 separate pieces of bronze sheets coupled with bronze rivets. The holder is made of thick torqued wire and has the ends in the form of stylized duck's head. It was made in Torutag technique and may have been used as a ritual vessel for holding holy water. Its volume has been estimated to 2 liters. Friezes. The situla is decorated with 3 horizontally parallel rows of bas-relief showing warriors, ritual combat, and animals using small figures. The upper one shows a solemn procession of warriors on foot, on horses, and on 2 chariots. The middle one shows the main happening. At first a sacrifice of grain, followed by a celebration, with 4 worthies sitting on the thrones and each one being served by a woman. This is followed by a scene showing ritual wrestling for a trophy. The bottom one shows 8 animals in a row. The first one is a lion with a wolf's tail, devouring an animal leg, followed by 3 does and 4 ibexes. The upper 2 rows form a continuum, similar to an epic. The vessel's reliefs show influences of the Etruscan art legacy. The small figures taken from this situla are used as background graphics in the Slovenian passport and are shown enlarged 5 times on a bronze replica standing at the beginning of the local Vače archaeological trail, tours of which are led by a family theatre group from Vače. Other important monuments along the archaeological trail are the Iron Age cemeteries in the Ronka ravines and at the Riba nad Lazem, and drainage sites, with a former terrace settlement at the Spodnja Krona and Zgornja Krona sites.